Hi, Mike Collinson here again. The project I started this year is quite a major one, and I should need a cement mixer for quite a lot of the work. I've got a lot of concrete to do. There's mortar to mix up for the blocks. I've got a patio to lay. So I thought I'd look into buying one as being the best option rather than renting or whatever. Anyway, I've done quite a bit of research into different mixers, and here I'm going to give you a review on the mixer that I bought. The mixer comes unassembled in a box, and it weighs about 54 kilos or about 120 pounds. So really, it could do with two people to manhandle it. Although I managed it quite a lot on my own. The components all give an impression of being very good quality and they're quite strong. And the assembly itself is quite easy. I did it myself in not much more than about half an hour. So it does come with a spanner, although it needs a second spanner to hold the other side of the nut. The instructions were pretty good, but in all honesty, I didn't really need them. It's pretty obvious where everything goes, and it's a fairly straightforward thing to assemble. The drum capacity is about 100 litres, so quite enough to completely fill a standard wheelbarrow. It's got a 370 watt induction motor with a safety switch, and it also comes with wheels, as you can see, for self-assembly. So it makes it very easy to take apart, put in the back of a car to transport. What you have to do is to turn the thing on its end on top of the drum, and then attach the metal legs to it. This is just a straightforward just push a bar in and secure it with a nut, just so that a bolt, just so that it doesn't come off when you lift it back in position. Once you've got it secured, you just tip the whole mixer back up onto its legs. What is nice is that it's all at a height that is easy to pour direct into a wheelbarrow. This is quite essential, really, when you're doing this sort of work. It's 230 volts, so it plugs straight into your standard electricity supply, and it comes with a 1-year guarantee, warranty, as most of them do these days. I did have a slight concern when I saw it about the size of the paddles inside. They're a little bit smaller than I'm used to. I've used a Belle mixer in the past, which is I suppose the standard for most small builders. They're very good machines, but they're also nearly double the cost of this machine. So you could buy two of these for the cost of one Belle. So I think it's a no-brainer. When I got to using it, in actual fact, the paddles, although they're smaller than I was used to, I think they mix the aggregate and the cement mortar better than the larger paddles, but also they don't clog up so much. So I find it a lot easier to clean out. All in all, I wholeheartedly recommend this mixer. As I said, I've looked at a lot of others online, that is, and there are cheaper machines than this. You can buy a concrete mixer from around about £140. This one is advertised and it's for sale at £249, although I managed to get it on a £30 discount, so I paid £219.99 for it. So very good value indeed. The equivalent to a Belle mixer, which is, as I say, nearly double this. I've got no hesitation whatsoever in recommending this. I think for both small builders, it would be ideal. I've got quite a major extension there to do with this, so I can see it used and mixing many hundreds of mixers, and it will. I'm sure it will be good right to the end of the day when I use it. Anyway, that's it for this review. I hope it's been of some use. As I said, I give it 100% recommendation. As you can see, this has mixed the mortar very well indeed, and also the drum is very clean at the back. It's not sticking to the drum, so very pleased indeed.